Hi guys, EBPMAN here with Tablets for Me. And today I want to take a look at a portable scanner. And this scanner is an Avision scanner model IS25. Let's check it out. Now scanners have been getting smaller and smaller over the years, and this is a perfect solution for those of you who are on the road if you're in a sales capacity or you're a college student and you need to scan documents. If you're a business person, this is also great for scanning receipts. The feature here that we're really focusing on is the ability for you to be able to do that portably. And when we say portable, we say 100% portable, meaning that you don't even have to plug this into the wall. Let's take a look at some of the features that are highlighted on the box, and then we'll see how the product works. So as we see here, some of the features that are highlighted is that, first of all, there's no PC required. As we discussed, you can scan directly to an SD card or a USB stick. It's lightweight and portable, and it's very fast, and it's able to scan documents in seconds. Now inside the box, you're going to find your scanner. You're going to find client satisfaction information, user guide, an included micro SD card with a memory card expansion holder. This is a lens cleaner that you use to clean the glass of the lens itself. The power adapter with the actual plug for the US and a USB cable. So now let's take a look at some of the features of the scanner. In the front here, you'll notice that you'll place the scanner sheet or the ID, whatever you're going to be scanning, on this side. And as the document gets larger, obviously it takes up more space, but you don't start over here, you start on this side. And you'll notice that it does have the different measurements and alignment. There is a little card where you can put photos if you want to scan them, like a protective sleeve that you can use as well. You'll notice that it is Windows compatible. This dial right here serves as your power button. This is for custom scanning and also is used if you're going to be connecting to a PC. And then right here you have your LED light. You'll also have an LED right here that will turn on. In the front you'll have your SD slot, and the SD slot, let me pop it out for a second, just pops out like this, and when you put it in, it just goes back in. On this side here you have the power, which is a PC side, and then you have the USB connector that you can use for powering, or in this case specifically we're talking about downloading information onto it. So if I put a memory stick here, that's going to be used for that purpose, for the actual scans. Here what you're seeing is different modes. If you push this button one way, it's going to be PC, and if you push it the other way, it's going to be for the SD or flash. That's where the images are going to go. On this side, you have your dial, and on the bottom here is where you have your battery. So let's talk about the specs, or at least some of the capabilities, before we actually go through a demo. The battery that is included, once it's fully charged, you're going to be able to scan anywhere from 200 to 300 pages per charge. And it's going to vary based on, if it's black and white or color. So a lot of pages that you're going to be able to scan. You could also leverage scanning to an iPad or a smartphone like an Android device as well. That's a feature that is part of the software. The optical resolution is around 600 dpi, and the largest document obviously is going to be an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. You do have the ability to scan either a JPEG, PDF, TIFF from a file format perspective, as well as color and black and white. Everything is really controlled by the dial that you see there. The device itself doesn't really, I would say, weigh that much. It's a little bit over a pound. So easy to carry, very portable, and then it's going to give you a lot of flexibility on when using this. It is Windows compatible. It is not, however, what is OS or Mac compatible. So let's try it out. So what I'll do is I'll just power up the scanner, and I'm just going to move it to dial 1. The different types, you can change it to a BDF by changing the dial number to 2 or 3. You can change it to color. There's a lot of different options that you can have. So I'm going to take a sheet of paper here. I'm just going to show you. It auto loads. So all you do is you put the document in, and then once you put it in, it's going to start to scan. So you see how fast it's scanning. This is a single-sided scanner. It's not duplex, meaning that it does not scan both sides of a document. So it's going to tell you how to put the sheet of paper face up. And you'll notice right now what it's doing is it's writing what it just scanned. So if you had to scan two sheets or two sides, what you do is you just do what I'm doing here. You'd put it in, and it would just start scanning. Now, if there's a problem with the alignment or your scan, this little LED is going to light up in red. So you'll notice once I'm done, it's going to start flashing, and that's writing it to the SD card, and then it's done. Now, to give you an idea of what the quality looks like, I took the SD card and connected it into my Surface Book. So let's go ahead and open up the document or the image. And this is the sheet of paper that I scanned. I'm going to zoom into it so you can see the quality. Very much, 600 dots per inch. Good quality. Remember, and one thing to highlight, I did print this on an inkjet, and it is double-sided, so you do see it's picking up some of the shadow from the other side because it was a very thin sheet of paper. And that is still, if we bring the paper back into view, I'll just bring it right here. You can see how you can see right through it. So this is not a problem with the scanner. It's just the fact that it's very accurate and picking up everything that it can from the sheet of paper. So you can see very clear, very crisp. Overall, a great scan. So this concludes our review of the Avision portable scanner. If you have any comments or questions about this product, please leave it in the YouTube channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, don't forget to share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.